The lighting is terrible, awful, but I don't give a poop because I'm desperate to film. Okay, we're just gonna film anyway. And I already feel better about leaving the house. I'm here in a parking lot where the Hobby Lobby just opened. I'm across the street from DQ where I just went for the goodies, for the mukbang. Is that how you pronounce it? I always forget how to say it. But that's what we're doing today. And I wasn't going to leave the house originally, and then I was like, I should get food because I'm low on food, and I have all these gift cards for food places. And the other reason is I should run. I'm trying to run consistently Monday, Wednesday, Friday, unless I'm sick or out of town or something awful comes up to deter me from being able to run 3 days a week. So, and I had, as I was opening my car, like getting my keys out of my coat pocket, I had the drink, the pink lemonade, and the chicken strip basket right here. I had them on the roof of my car where the snow was. I didn't remove snow from my car very well or something because my basket is like drenched. It didn't get in the food or anything, but that's just what happened. But anyway, so after this I'm going to go run, which is very counterintuitive and counterproductive because, I mean, usually you don't run right after eating food, but I wanted a small basket, a small snack to tie me over. Because I don't usually eat good. That's why people give me gift cards. That's why people gave me gift cards, guys. Because they know I eat like a first grader. I'm terrible. But trying to change that. Trying to be better about it. So, this is so good. Sad day when all these gift cards run out. I'm telling you. Because then I'll have to cook. You know? But originally I wasn't going to leave the house, or I didn't know when I could, was because there was inspections for today, the 20th, and I have today off because of the holiday. It's MLK Day. And so I was like, well, I don't have to leave, but maybe I should leave. And I wanted to wait for my landlord to come to my apartment specifically, just because I wanted to be present for the inspection. I never have been in the past. I've always been at work. But I just wanted to kind of like see the process, and it's really cool. So this Hobby Lobby be hopping though. And in the college town, it is so wise because those college girls, they want to make their rooms cute. I mean, I would if I were them. But you're going, right? Yes. You have to charge your camera. You're gonna die on me. I'm feeling good, but I've been feeling bad for the past few weeks to a month. I've just felt the blues. And with bipolar disorder, sometimes there's patterns, sometimes there's warning signs, there's red flags that you're going to have an episode or something. But I've just been in this depressive slump for a while, and I can't seem to bounce back. So overall, it doesn't look like things have changed because I'm still smiling and talking and laughing and joking and stuff. But internally, and when I'm alone, I'm withdrawn and I feel really low. But it's okay. I think a part of it is because I'm in a relationship where I don't see the other person anymore. Because he's in Alaska and I'm in Idaho. So we're trying long distance. We'll see how we work. But having your partner away is really hard. And Hunter's a really good person. And it feels really weird being apart. And it's just a challenge. But I don't know. With my depression, it's not circumstantial, it just comes. It's a chemical imbalance in my brain. And so it's not caused by anything. It's not a trigger from anything at all. It just happens. So I'm just in my head even more. But but my dad told me always have something to look forward to, and that's very true. My mom and I are talking about a trip, a girls' trip, and I have things on my calendar, things on my list, and they will happen. For sure. They are bound to happen. I'm noticing stores in town are open, like grocery stores and stuff, and food places too. But I wonder if the school indoor track, because I mean, I gotta run, you guys. I gotta run this off. I gotta burn off these feelings. If that's a thing, if that's possible. I prefer them plain. Ketchup or plain, nothing else. No other sauce. So I usually just have it plain. Either I'll finish the rest off camera or after my run. But for now, I just want to say, with a mouthful, you got this, whatever it is, and it will pass. And get out of the house. You will not regret. After this car right here pulls out, there goes my shade. And are we even going? My camera's almost dead. Don't die. Okay, that was my sad little mukbang. Didn't try to be sad. I better not be getting sick, but sometimes I just get the sniffles. I just really think I'm in a slump, but I know ways to deal with it and ways to get out of it. I'm just trying to reteach myself and retrain my brain and to coach myself. That's what I'm trying to do. So, yeah. Okay, goodbye.